Z is for zebra with Hopi. Zoom. Hopi is back and faster than ever. Today she is looking for the very last letter of the alphabet. Can you guess what it is? It is the letter Z. In a field of striped grass, she finds a new pal. Z is for zebra. Meet Ziggy the zebra. Ziggy has bold black and white stripes and a very bouncy trot. Zap, Hopi cries. Let's go find some Z's. Z is for zigzag. The road ahead isn't straight at all. It goes this way and that way. Hopi and Ziggy follow a bright purple zigzagging path that winds through the hills. They hop to the left and jump to the right. Zigzagging is the best way to travel. Hopi laughs as she dances along the sharp turns. Z is for zipper. Hopi stops to check her magic adventure bag. It has a giant, shiny silver zipper right down the middle, zip. Hopi pulls the chunky handle from one side to the other. She makes sure everything is tucked safely inside so they don't lose any of their treasures on their fast journey. Ziggy wants to try too. He uses his nose to nudge the zipper on his own little striped satchel. Zip zap. The sound is so funny that they both start to giggle. Zippers are great for keeping things snug and tight. Now that their bags are closed, they are ready for the biggest part of their trip. Z is for zoom. Hopi and Ziggy hop into a special Z-mobile. It is shaped like a lightning bolt and has glowing wheels. Ready, set, zoom, Hopi shouts. They fly down the road, moving so fast that the trees look like colorful blurs. They are zooming all the way to a very special place. Z is for zoo. The Z-mobile stops right in front of a pair of golden gates. This is where all the animals live. Hopi looks up at the big sign. We made it to the zoo, she cheers. There are so many things to see, from the tall giraffes to the noisy monkeys, and they all start with the spirit of Z. Ziggy is so excited to show Hopi the garden inside the gates. Z is for zinnias. They find a patch of round, fluffy flowers in every color you can imagine. Pink, orange, and red zinnias stand tall on their green stems. Ziggy leans down to sniff them, his stripes matching the shadows of the leaves. Z is for zucchini. All that zooming has made our friends very hungry. Hopi opens her bag and pulls out some crunchy green zucchini sticks. They are zesty and fresh. She shares them with Ziggy, who thinks they are the perfect zebra snack. Crunch, crunch, crunch. It's a Z-themed picnic. Z is for ZZZZZ. As the moon rises, the stars start to twinkle like a zillion tiny lights. Hopi lets out a big yawn. Her energy is starting to zap away. I think it's time for some Z's, she whispers. Ziggy nods his head slowly, feeling very sleepy too. The day was full of Z fun, but now it is time for rest. Z is for zenith. That means the very top. Hopi is tucked into her bed, feeling like she had the best day ever. She thinks of the zigzags, the zippers, and her best friend Ziggy. Good night, letter Z, she says softly. She closes her eyes and starts to catch some ZZZs, dreaming of her next big alphabet adventure. Z is for zebra with Hopi. Subscribe Hopi and Friends.